Good morning, one and all. Myself, DR Thade. Today we will see the concept of concept generations. A product concept is an approximate description of the technology, working principles, and form of the product. It is a concise description of how the product will satisfy the customer needs. A concept is usually expressed as a sketch or a rough 3D model and is often accompanied by a brief textual description. The degree to which a product satisfies customers and can be successfully commercialized depends on the quality of the underlying concepts. Concept generations and the final selection of the concept to proper evaluations are critical decision making steps in product development. The primary aim of the concept generations and evaluation is to ensure that the product can perform all of the major functions. This may be done by simple calculations, sketches, circuit diagram, proof of the concept, then concept model, or by a detailed written description of the concept. The stage of the concept generations and evolution should minimize the possibility of misrepresenting a solution, which may actually be effective, and consider different ramifications of a final decision. For example, not considering the customer's need during the concept generations and evolution phase may lead to the failure of the product in the market. So, typical steps involved in the concept generations and evolutions are as follows: problem decompositions, explore for ideas, that idea should be external or it may be internal, then explore systematically morphological chart, then evolutions. This is the absolute criteria, go no go screening, then a relative criteria, that is pub concept selection, then decision matrix, then analytic hierarchy process, then best concept. So now we will see the conceptual decompositions in a concept generations. An effective way to solve a complex problem is to decompose it into smaller parts that are easier to manage and then recombine all the ideas or designs to arrive at the final solutions. There are two main approaches towards conceptual decompositions. Decompositions in physical domain. One example is given here. In this stage, the product design is decomposed directly into a number of sub-assemblies and parts or components, like as a bicycle, it is one of the example. So that we will decompose it or sub-assemble it into the different parts, like as a frame, then seat, then wheels, then brakes, gears. Again, that wheels is again sub-assembles into three parts, that is rim, spokes, and tire. So this is about the detail of the concept generation. Please see that, like that, and comment that. Thank you.